Today, I'm going to teach you how to add duration in Smartsheet. This feature is incredibly useful for project management as it automatically calculates the time span between start and end dates, helping you track task lengths without manual calculations. First, open your web browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your Smartsheet homepage where all your files and sheets are stored. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to choose an existing file or sheet where you want to add the duration feature. Before selecting, make sure the sheet you're looking for has a column type set to date, and importantly, it should already contain both a start date and an end date column. These are essential for the duration calculation to work properly. Take a moment to browse through your sheets, and once you've found the one that fits these requirements, go ahead and click on it to open it. After the sheet loads, you'll see all your data laid out. Now here's where the magic happens. Look for the primary column header, which is typically the first column in your sheet. Right-click on this header, and from the menu that appears, select Edit Project Settings. This opens up a critical configuration panel that controls your project's automated features. In the Project Settings window, you'll see several options available. What you need to do here is enable the Dependencies feature. This is the key step that unlocks the duration functionality. By enabling dependencies, Smartsheet will automatically add two important columns to your sheet, one for duration and another for predecessors. Once you've toggled dependencies on, click OK to confirm these changes. You may notice the system processing this change as it adds the new columns to your sheet structure. After that, you'll need to click OK once more to finalize and close the settings panel. Now take a look at your sheet. You'll immediately notice that the duration column has been populated with data. This data represents the number of days between your start date and end date for each task. The beauty of this feature is its dynamic nature. If you go ahead and change either the start date or the due date in any row, the duration will automatically recalculate and update itself in real time. This eliminates the need for manual updates and ensures your project timeline stays accurate, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully set up automatic duration tracking in your Smartsheet, making your project management workflow much more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.